Simply put, we are a one-stop shop for packaging solution, from design to production. Maybe you are wondering about the price. Do we have an advantage? Absolutely. Our factory is in the heart of China big city. That means we have a complete supply chain right at our doorstep, giving us a major cost advantage. Okay, but what about quality? We've spent 15 years earning the trust of world-leading brands, who are now our loyal customers. I think that speaks for itself. And our design, our experienced team creates designs that are not just creative, but critical and ready to production. And by the way, our design service is completely free. So if you are tired of your current suppliers raising prices, if you are worried about the quality you might get from an overseas supplier, or if you are frustrated with the high design fees, then it's time to contact OPACK. Our on-the-job team is ready and waiting to help you solve these problems. Yeah!